फ्रेंड्स केमती अछंती आज भिडियो रे आमे आलोचना करिबा यूनिट 3 द गोल्डन टच रो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। तो देखिनबा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची व्हाट थ्योरी डिड मिस्टर चौधरी प्रूव रॉन्ग। तो आंसर होची द थ्योरी दैट मिस्टर चौधरी had proved wrong was that the different species of wild animals cannot coexist unless they are together from childhood. Second question. What was his first story about? Answer होची the first story was about how his house became the habitat of different species of wild animals who all come at different stages of their lives. It also dealt with their coexistence and the close relationship between Khairi and Crate, a dangerous snake. Next आलोचना करिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Why is it so unique and amazing? तो आंसर होची it is so unique and amazing because during this experiment Khairi saw her reaction to the presence of Crate, the most poisonous snake. Khairi was curious to know more about the Crate as it was a stranger to her. Question number 4. Why did Mr. Chaudhary allow Khairi to come near the Crate? Answer. Mr. Chaudhary allowed Khairi to come near a Crate to know how they dealt with each other. Next, question number 5. What was Khairi's reaction to the presence of the Crate? Answer. Khairi's reaction to the presence of a Crate was one of curiosity to know more about the latter. Question number 6. How did the experiment affect him? Answer होची the experiment made him a permanent patient of low blood pressure. Next question. Question number 7. What did the bear try to do with the writer? Answer होची the bear tried to put his arms around the writer to show his love. Question number 8. What prevented the bear from doing so? Answer होची Mr. Chaudhary's strict no prevented the bear from doing so. Next question. Question number 9. What kind of family did Mr. Chaudhary have? Answer होची Mr. Chaudhary had a GNU joint family that comprised a mongoose, pangolin, wildcat twins, a country dog, and a blind hyena, each having a name. Next देखिबा question number 10. What was his relationship with different animals? Answer होची his relationship with different animals was quite familiar. His act of naming each of them is a case in point. Next देखिए Unit 4 the question and answer. First question देखने बा How and when did Mr. Chaudhary come across Khairi? Answer ହେଉଛି Mr. Chaudhary came across Khairi when 12 Khairia tribals of Simripal brought here to him when she was a 2-month club. It was on October 5, 1974. Next question देखिबा question number 2. In what condition did he find it? Answer ହେଉଛି he found it in a stage of hunger and confusion. Question number 3. How did he manage the hungry and confused crowd? Answer ହେଉଛି he managed the hungry and confused cub by copying the sounds of Mother Tigress. Within minutes, she became firmly confident. Question number 4. How did he treat wildlife in his young age? Answer ହେଉଛି he treated wildlife uncontrollably in his young age. Question number 5. What did he say about his change of attitude towards wildlife to the other? Answer ହେଉଛି he said to the other that his change of attitude towards wildlife took place because of his realization that there was a greater happiness in safeguarding the beautiful wild animals that do not cause reckless harm to man. Next देखिए question number 6. What was his contribution to the Tiger Project? Answer ହେଉଛି his contribution to the Tiger Project was the introduction of the tiger tracking method of tiger census. As a result, one can measure the pugmars of each animal distinctly and record their characteristics very carefully. Next देखिए question number 7. What was the guest house like? Answer ହେଉଛି the guest house was a wooden structure with simple rooms and a bath. It was built on one of the set of ports and was at a height of 15 foot. Next question number 8. What new experience did the author have in the Tiger Reserve area? Answer ହେଉଛି the author experienced for the first time one night stay in the Tiger Reserve area that was unique, especially on a very beautiful Macan. यह थिला Unit 4 question answer. तो फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आमे Unit 5 रो question and answer डिस्कशन करिबा. जय